What's up, internet? It's CompTIA here. If you're looking to prepare for this CompTIA Security Plus exam, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to create flashcards within the Anki Flashcard app. This app you can use on your desktop, Android device, iOS device. You can take your cards anywhere, whether you have Wi-Fi or cellular data. So it's great for learning new things very quickly. So the first thing we'll do is we'll browse over to the Security Plus webpage, the CompTIA Security Plus webpage, get all the information that's useful to us in order to prepare for the examination. So we'll look at the objectives. We'll also find the exact exam code that we need, and also check the passing score that's required, which is 750 out of 900. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at the objectives, the things you'll be tested on for the exam. You'll need to know everything that's found in these objectives to be able to have a passing score. So the next thing we're gonna do is use ChatGPT. We're gonna throw in this prompt saying, make an Anki flashcard deck in CSV format based on each of the following exam objectives covered in the Security Plus SY0-701 exam. And then afterwards, you're just gonna copy and paste the objectives. For this, we'll do it for each of the subdomains. So for example, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, so that we can make separate CSV files that we can import as individual decks within the Anki app. So this keeps things nice, tidy, organized, making for better organization and making it less overwhelming to learn these new concepts. So the next thing we'll do is we'll download the Anki app using Linux here. So just need to extract the archive here and then just open the application, the Anki application. All right, choose the Anki file there, then launch it. So the next thing, we'll just rename the default deck to be SY0-701-1.1, and then we'll take the CSV file that we made from ChatGPT and import it. You just need to make sure that the field separator is a comma and that the deck is the SY0-701-1.1 deck. So just focus on those options and that should let you import it with ease. So yeah, we'll go through these and it shows that it imported the flashcards for each of those objectives. So yeah, just deleting the cards, and then the rest of the cards are just the cards related to subdomain 1.1. So we'll make a deck for subdomain 1.2, and then we'll do the same thing, copy the objectives and then change up the prompt and then just replace it with those objectives for subdomain 1.2, and then paste the prompt in ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will do its thing and make a handy dandy CSV file that we're going to take and import into Anki. So yeah, we're just importing the deck for 1.2. So we'll do the same thing, file import, choose the 1.2 CSV, just make sure that the field separator is a comma and make sure the deck is the 1.2 deck, and then you can go ahead and import, and then it brings in those cards. So yeah, then it shows all the imported cards based on the objectives for that subdomain, the 1.2 subdomain. So yeah, that is the process, and then we'll do another step just to make it even easier to learn all these concepts. We will change the note types to flip the cards so that it shows the answer first, and then the back as the, I guess, the question or the concept. Just to make it similar to how things will be presented on the exam when you have to take it, because the exam is a multiple choice and there's just over a few performance-based questions. So yeah, doing it this way makes it closer to the resemblance of the exam. So yeah. And then the next thing that I will show you is how it looks when you finish doing this process for each and every subdomain. This deck has all the steps that we took before. It's flipped backwards so that it shows the answer, and then when you show answer, it shows the question. Makes it it's an easier way to try and retain the information. So yeah, and that's how you use ChatGPT to. Oh, and I'll show you how to export the deck. So you click File, Export, and then you can choose APKG as the extension, and then just name the deck whatever you want, or the package whatever you want, and then just save it wherever you like, so that if you ever want to share your deck or put it on another device, you can take that file, and then wherever you have the Anki program installed, whether it's your phone or your computer or your iOS device, you can import it using that APKG file. So yeah, that's how you can use ChatGPT to create yourself a nice little study set of flashcards for the CompTIA Security Plus exam. All right. Thanks for watching, Internet, and enjoy the rest of your day.